Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Is your electric bill giving you a bit of a shock every month? Well, you're not alone. But the good news is, there are some super simple, easy things you can do right now to slash that bill and keep more money in your pocket. And don't worry, you won't have to live in the dark or give up your favorite gadgets. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about those energy vampires. These are the electronics that suck up power even when they're turned off. Your TV, your coffee maker, your game console, they're all guilty. The easiest fix. Plug them into a power strip and just flip the switch off when you're not using them. It might seem small, but this one habit can save you a surprising amount over the year. It's like finding free money. Next, let's head to the laundry room. Did you know that about 90% of the energy your washing machine uses goes into heating the water? By simply switching to cold water for most of your loads, you can make a huge dent in your energy consumption. Modern detergents are designed to work great in cold water, so your clothes will still come out sparkling clean. Plus, it's gentler on your fabrics, so they'll last longer. It's a win-win. Okay. Lighting. This one's a classic for a reason. If you're still using old-school incandescent bulbs, you're basically burning money. Swapping them out for LED bulbs is one of the smartest moves you can make. LEDs use at least 75% less energy and last up to 25 times longer. Yes, they cost a little more upfront, but the long-term savings are massive. Make the switch one room at a time if you need to, and watch the savings add up. Finally, let's be smart about heating and cooling. Your thermostat is your best friend here. In the winter, try setting it a couple of degrees lower, especially when you're asleep or out of the house, and just throw on a cozy sweater. In the summer, do the opposite. A few degrees higher makes a big difference. Also, make sure your windows and doors are sealed properly to stop drafts. A little bit of weather stripping can go a long way in keeping the air you pay to heat or cool right where it belongs, inside your home. So there you have it, for simple tips to start saving on your electric bill today. None of these are difficult, and they can make a real difference to your budget. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one works best for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you in the next one.